I'll show you how to download and install Zoomify mod for Minecraft 1.21.4. This mod can be only downloaded on Fabric. To begin with, go to the first link and click download universal jar. Thus we have downloaded Fabric. Now using the second link we need to download the Fabric API. And from the third link we download the Zoomify mod itself. Also for it to work you also need to have YetAnotherConfigLib, which can be found at the fourth link in the description. And you'll need Fabric Language Kotlin, which can already be found at the fifth link. In all cases you need to choose version 1.21.4. Now open the Fabric file. Here we select the required version and click install. Then we press the key combination Win+R and write %appdata% in the window that opens. Look for the Minecraft folder. And then we look for the mods folder. Here we put the Fabric API and the mod itself. Now our mod should work. The mod itself adds a zoom function similar to optics in OptiFine, but with additional settings. Thank you for watching and goodbye.